Life isn't about waiting for opportunities, it's about creating them. It's time to unleash your potential. Get ready to conquer your fears, embrace challenges, and pave your path to greatness. Join the movement. 3 explosive growth strategies for your investments. Welcome back to our channel, dedicated followers and first-time visitors. I'm James, and if you're passionate about making the most of your investments, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, do me a favor. If you find value in today's topic, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's a small action on your part, but it greatly helps us continue delivering this valuable content. 1. Understanding the power of triple-digit. Triple-digit growth isn't just a buzzword, it's a testament to the immense potential that lies in strategic investment. Many think of investments as a slow, steady game. While patience is a virtue, there are instances where rapid growth is not only possible, but achievable. Let's explore how. 2. Initial research is the key. Your investment's trajectory often hinges on the initial research phase. By thoroughly understanding market dynamics, competition, and emerging trends, you set yourself up for success. Dive deep into data analytics and consumer insights to pinpoint opportunities. 3. Leveraging compound interest. The beauty of compound interest cannot be understated. It's not about the initial sum, but the periodic returns that are reinvested. Over time, even a seemingly small investment can snowball into an impressive portfolio, thanks to the magic of compounding. 4. Diversification over specialization. While it might be tempting to pour all resources into a seemingly lucrative sector, diversification remains a tried and true method. Spreading your assets across various sectors ensures you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. 5. Adaptability and strategy. Markets evolve, and so should your strategy. An approach that yields a significant return today might not be as effective tomorrow. Periodic reviews and adaptability in strategy ensure you remain at the forefront of potential growth areas. 6. Leverage expert advice. No matter how seasoned an investor you are, there's always something new to learn. Leveraging expert advice doesn't mean outsourcing decisions, but complementing your knowledge with insights from those who've achieved what you're aiming for. 7. Embrace technology and tools. In today's digital age, numerous tools can aid in decision-making. From AI-powered analytics to predictive market simulations, harnessing technology can provide you with a competitive edge in spotting lucrative investment avenues. 8. Know when to exit. While the focus is on growth, knowing when to exit is equally critical. Not all investments will follow an upward trajectory indefinitely. Recognizing signs of market saturation or declining returns and strategically exiting can safeguard your overall portfolio's health. 9. Continual learning and skill enhancement. The investment landscape is ever evolving. Dedicate time to continually update your knowledge, be it through courses, seminars, or simply staying abreast of global financial news. The more informed you are, the better your decisions will be. 10. Stay committed to the course. Lastly, while explosive growth is the aim, it's essential to remain committed even in the face of setbacks. Every investor faces challenges. It's persistence and a commitment to the end goal that often differentiates the successful from the rest. And there you have it. 10 strategies that can potentially turn your triple-digit investment into a powerhouse of returns. Remember, the world of investments is vast and varied. By employing these strategies and staying informed, you're giving your money the best chance to work harder for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Your support encourages us to continue providing content like this. Until next time, this is James, signing off. Best of luck with your investment journey.